Atwarithia a nduthi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi nimagomanite kiharo-ini kia Jamhuri kūheo githomo na motaro ma ūmenyereri wa barabara-ini. Arugamiriri honge cia NTSA, Watu Credit Africa, St John Ambulance na ViewPay nimoritie atwarithia aya a nduthi gukorwo na ūmenyereri barabara-ini, gukorwo na marua ma utwarithia wa nduthi hamwe na kwihumba nguo iria ciagiriire riria mari barabara-ini na nduthi niguo gwithemana na mogwati.
The community on a road safety topic. We did it in a partnership with NTSA and with our friends and partners from dealership side, from St. George Ambulance and from Border Plus to make it happen today. We as a Watu Credit, we have more than 200,000 clients across the Kenya and branches on a national wide.
We have trained 450 border riders in the past 3 months, and our target is to train at least 200,000 border riders so that we can increase or boost the capacity for fast response on our roads.
ViewPay Cashless is a product that is aimed to the mass market, especially border. And today here there are around 300 borders that we've been signing up into the new platform, whereby they can use it to collect their fare, and at the end of the trip the passengers can pay them by dialing *236.
Mwega uria ndona muno makiria he nduthi iretwo Ampersand. Nduthi iyo nditumagira maguta, nduthi iyo ni ya battery. Na ota uria murona bururi uyu maguta ni mabatite muno. Nduthi iyo irathi 120 kilometers and then uka refill the battery. Wa refill battery ni ukorwo uthiete 120 kilometers na ni uguikia bia nyinge muhuko o compare na nduthi ino ya irahuthira maguta.